Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing Leetcode question number 189 to rotate an array. So in this question, they have given a nums array and we are asked to rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is non-negative. For example, here they have given a nums array with 7 elements and they have given k equals to 3. We are asked to rotate this nums array by 3 to the right side. So this is the desired output. Now I will write the code and side by side I will explain it. So for this question, we will be using a third variable to swap the elements and will return the desired output. So first I'll assign n equals to length of nums array and I'll check for if condition. If k is greater than n, then k equals to k mod n, because if k equals to 7 or if k equals to 14, that will result in the same nums array. That's why we'll use k equals to k mod n. And now I'll be using the third variable to store those elements to rotate. Nums of n minus k to n. And now nums of n minus k to n will assign it nums of 0 to n minus k. And at last, we will assign the nums of 0 and n minus k equals to element to rotate. This is like the sum swapping the values using the third variable. I'll check for the test cases. Yes, yes, this code is accepted. Thank you, guys.